In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and set up your Trust Wallet on PC. So first you need to go to the official Trust Wallet website. So to get to there, just Google Trust Wallet and it will be the first one. It will be trustwallet.com. Go ahead and click on that. Now what we need to do now is download the extension for your web browser. So if you scroll down, you'll see download for the mobile and download extension. Click on download extension. Because I'm using Google Chrome, we'll obviously download for Chrome. That will take us to the web store where we can then add to Chrome and then add extension. Once that's downloaded, it will be in the extensions icon. So here where a puzzle icon is, this is where all the extensions live. It will probably though automatically open. So as you can see, in a second, a new tab opens and it will take us to Trust Wallet. Now what we can do here is we can create a new wallet or we can import an old one using a secret phrase. I'm going to create a new wallet and we're going to enter in a password. Make sure you remember this password though, because if you forget it, you're not going to be able to get back into your wallet. Once you've done that, it will take you to the next step and it will probably ask you to remember your seed phrase. So you can agree to the privacy policy here just to give some information to Trust Wallet. And it's going to ask you here to open a new wallet. If this is your default wallet, click open wallet. So now it's going to give you some tips and you just need to flick through this and click I'm ready to use Trust Wallet. Now it's going to try and get you here to back up your secret phrase. If you click on this or if you go to settings, then go to manage wallets and then click back up your secret phrase. Here it will show you a 12-word secret phrase. Make sure you write this down because if you have any problems with your computer or you lose access to Trust Wallet in the future, this secret phrase you'll be able to enter on a fresh Trust Wallet and you'll get all of your money back. So make sure you write this down, click show and remember it. Now you've got your wallet open. If you wanted to access it, go to the puzzle icon, then click Trust Wallet and it will open up your wallet here. Here, if you wanted to find your Bitcoin receive address, you'd go to Bitcoin, you click on it and here you can send or receive and here is your address. And that's pretty much all you need to do.